Alright, today we have this 2004 Chevy Avalanche. The customer complaint is they're getting a no start, nothing cranking over, the key light, the lock light is staying on. Vehicle is not started when they trying to get it nothing. We scan it, tried to scan it, couldn't talk to it, so there's no communication. So what we're gonna do is pull a wiring diagram and test out on communication lines. Okay, now we at the engine computer. What we're gonna do is test the engine computer power, which is that's number 20. So we got power there. So we're gonna switch the polarities around and check for the engine computer ground. And see, ground is right here, number 1. Now if you could see, we gotta get dim ground. It's not really bright. Then we got another ground supposed to be number 80, which is here. See, like this is not kind of bright, but if I put this on this ground, you see that she lights up. Come up here. It's kind of dim. So the issue is we have a weak ground. So we're gonna restore ground and see where I go from now. Okay, we get the vehicle up in a minute. So now we're gonna check communication. Okay, current history. Yes, I'm straight. Vehicle is up and running. Job completed.